You're welcome to today's synthetic analysis with Deriv. Alright, on Deriv, we'll be starting off with volatility 75 1 second. Please just as a reminder, Deriv is not just a synthetic broker, they also offer other tradable pairs at the pound dollar, the BTC, even not just BTC, several other cryptocurrencies, several other currencies. They offer indices, stocks, a lot of options. They are just too numerous to mention. You can actually check the description. I'll be leaving a link there for you just in case you're not familiar with them. Share the description. I'll be leaving a link there for you to open an account with them. All right. So on 75 1 seconds, first you can see this zone. This happens to be the support level yesterday. Now getting back it and bouncing back, then looking at the candlestick formation, you can see this bullish engulfing the previous I thought it'd be like 4 or even 16 hours candles. Yes, I thought it'd be more than 16 hours candles. You can see it's engulfing as showing signs of serious bullish momentum away from this support right here. So are we seeing the continuation of this bullish momentum back to this level, or are we seeing a kind of a rejection then and sending it back again to this company likeliness of breaking below it and then testing and continuing bearish? But then looking at this formation, you can see the candlestick on this bearish is actually losing momentum already, but we can't really confirm that until we go back to the 15-minute chart, which is our end time frame to confirm what is happening there. Alright, so let's see. On the 15-minute chart, we actually see very much bullish, breaking previous high and forming new high. You can see that happening right here. Stopping right here, breaking this above. So let's see if it's going to stop somewhere around there, breaking above this. Then I'll be looking for a long trade. So let's see what's going to happen. So my setup is going to be above this. Stop loss right here. Then my take profits. 1:2 minimum. So here's my anticipation on volatility 75 1 second for today. So let's see what really is going to play out, if this is going to happen, or are we seeing the market breaking previous structures, forming new ones to go back bearish. So but then this is what I'm looking at if the market happens to close bullish above this zone. So that's that for 75. So let's go to 75 1. So that's for 75 1 seconds. Now let's go to 75 itself. Okay, of course, let's go to the far charts. It's actually looking more bearish on 5. This level, there we can see internal, you can see bearish already. So let's just, I think there's gonna be a little bit of bearish shades right there. Okay, so bearish setup on below this, stop loss right here, 3 profits, 1:2 as usual. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking at today on volatility 75. I don't think there's anything much there, so that's just it. So let's see if it's gonna take us in with this setup right here. Okay, so let's go to the boom index, of which should be starting off the boom 500. I think yesterday we actually looked forward to continuation of the bullish trend, which actually happened. Then we saw this major reversal back down to the bearish. But then are we seeing bearish trade right now? No, I'm still very much bullish on boom 500. Very much bullish on 500. Until this level is still validated, I'm still bullish. So let's see what's happening on the 15-minute charts. On the 15-minute chart, we're actually still seeing some kind of bullish momentum. You can see this internal structure right here. Let me just extend it. Let me keep it this way. Alright, so you can come back. So let's see if this is going to hold, get rejected. We want to see bullish candle fully close above it. If that happens again, then that means I'll be going long, of course. Let me put it right here. Stop loss below this, then take profits. It's gonna be minimum 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So let's see how it plays out as day goes by. Good morning, man. Okay, so let's go to 1000 on the 4-hour chart. It's actually looking very bullish. Already. Tell just what's happening. Yeah, very bullish. Bullish setup right here. Stop loss. I think they actually have a lot of setups. Okay, so here's my bullish setup on boom 1000. Then let's go to crash. Alright, so we're on crash 500, so we go to the 4-hour chart. Kind of see a kind of bullish tree right here with this high momentum. So let's see if you're gonna see bearish. I think this is a bearish trade. So let's see if we're gonna see a new bearish setup. We actually missed it somewhere around here. The time levels is actually right here. So let me just use this to mark into this. Then maybe breaking above. Stop it. Okay, okay. Let's stop it right here. So into this level again, breaking below this, breaking below. All right, good. So that means my setup right here, over here, and this. Okay. So here's my setup for crash 500. Okay, so let's go to the final one, which is crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000. We actually still very much believe it. We are seeing some retracement back to our previous resistance, which is going to turn support likeliness or likely. So let's see if it's going to turn support for us to look for bullish trade. So we are going to be waiting for it to see what it does when it gets to this level. So that's where we're waiting for it. All right. So that brings me to the end of the analysis with Deriv. Always remember that this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you that it's a must, you must do this. I'm only telling you my own setup, what I think, my own view of the market, my own structures. So you can just use this as a guide, and that's just like it's something you see every single day. So every day I come here to give you a guide on what I expect. You can now use it as your own personal guide, okay? So this is like this, like that. It gives you a better edge in the market. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please ensure you stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.